You're watching Hot Walk Academy. My name is Ming Jin Tong. Thanks so much for watching. I want to show you one of my very favorite dishes, stir-fried pea tips. Let's cook. All right, guarantee you're gonna love this one. Stir fry is meant to be fast and easy, and I hope you'll join me in cooking. Get yourself some pea tips. Now, what is a pea tip? It is the tip of the tendril, and this part would connect to the plant, and that's where snow peas grow. If you're growing snow peas, save those tips. They're kind of big when you get them. Just take it, snap it in half. That's what I've done with all these bowls, just so it's a little bit more bite size. I've got about half a pound, maybe 1 pound here. For our garlic, all you want to do is take the paper off. Just give it a quick pat like that. That breaks the paper. Let it come right out. And sometimes you get that hard end on the garlic, kind of like that right there. I don't want that. I'm just gonna cut that off and make sure my garlic is a little bit broken up. All I need now is some neutral oil and some salt. I've got here a carbon steel wok, very thin and light, 14 inches in diameter. Let's go ahead and heat my wok up. And I'm just gonna do a low heat to get my garlic to start to flavor the oil. Let's put just a little bit of oil in my wok. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw the garlic in. Your garlic is going to sizzle. You don't want it to burn. Your goal at this stage is to create flavoring in your oil. So let that begin to sizzle. I'm gonna turn the heat up just a little bit. Move your garlic around. Let the oil coat all the garlic. Turn it, flip it, mix it around. And when you start to smell that great garlic flavor in your oil, you will know that you are about ready to put your vegetables in. Again, at this stage, I want my oil to be low heat so that it doesn't burn my garlic. And it is starting to burn, look at that. So gotta really control your oil. It's still okay, haven't burned it yet, it's just browning. These pea tips you can pretty much buy at any grocery store, any Asian grocery store, or like I said, you could be growing them on your own as well. All right, so my garlic is pretty nice and brown. I'm just gonna pull that out to give my oil a chance to really heat up here. Normally I would do this under a vent hood because that's a lot of smoke that's coming up. While that is heating up, let's go ahead and put my vegetables right in. And I will land my vegetables in here. Give it a quick rinse, and that will be ready for us. Let's put my garlic back in, and I just want now on high heat to begin to stir and coat my pea tips with that oil so that it's ready to take the salt. Salt won't really stick to a dry leaf. Let's go ahead and put some salt in. And just a half pinch more. Fire's on high. You don't hear a lot of sizzling because it's so dry, which is how you want to stir fry your vegetables. Now, we don't want to cook your vegetable until it's all wilted. You want that nice crisp still. So just a few more turns and it will be ready to come out. You want the leaves to be wilted and you want the stem to be cooked but still crisp. All right, that's about 30 seconds in. I might just give it about 10 more seconds. I love the way it smells. I love the way it looks. If you like your vegetables cooked even more, you're able to do that. Just leave it a little bit longer, but don't let it go too long. You don't want it to get too wilty. These are beautiful. I can smell the char. I can smell the garlic, and I love how the color is nice and bright green. All those dark leafy greens, super nutritious for you. All right, and very short cook time, you're ready to go. Please cook along, let me know what you think. Try these pea tips if you've never tried them before, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.